Hello, bosses. Today I am here to report on the deployment of ComfyUI. Both ComfyUI and WebUI are user interface software designed to simplify the interaction process between users and AI models, such as Stable Diffusion. The reasons I recommend ComfyUI to you are as follows. Firstly, ComfyUI's design focuses more on user experience, allowing even users without a technical background to quickly get started. Secondly, for bosses, ComfyUI provides a quick entry path without the need to delve into complex technical details. Thirdly, ComfyUI is now mainstream with strong community support, allowing users to quickly get help when encountering problems. Next, I will demonstrate to you how to deploy ComfyUI. The overall deployment process is very simple, involving mainly downloading the software, extracting, and running. Before deploying, we need to find a partition with a larger remaining space. Although the software itself is not large, we may use many models in the future, some of which are tens of gigabytes in size. Therefore, it is recommended to have at least about 500 gigabytes of space. I will divide the main operations into the following points. Download the software 1. Extract the software 2. Understand the basic structure of the software 3. Run the test 4. We will proceed step by step according to this process. Step 1. Download the software. Visit the download link for ComfyUI. After opening the page, you can see the word Release on the left side of the screen. Click on the corresponding version under Release. Find the corresponding file and click to download. I recommend that bosses use download tools to download. Once the download is complete, the first step is finished, and then let's move on to the second step. Step 2. Extract before extracting. Make sure you have the relevant decompression software installed on your computer. Here, we will use the RAR tool as an example. Select the compressed package, hold down the Shift key on the keyboard, then right-click the downloaded compressed package with the mouse and select to extract to the corresponding directory. The time it takes to extract will be affected by the computer's configuration. In the video, we will skip the waiting and go straight to the result. Step 3. Understand the basic structure of the software. Enter the folder obtained in the previous step, and you will see several folders and 2 files ending with .bat and 1 file ending with .txt. We need to have a preliminary understanding of them. Here we first understand their roles. ComfyUI, the main body of the software, where model files, plugin files, clip files, VAE files, output files, and temporary files are stored Python embedded. Python environment, do not touch unless necessary. Update contains 3 scripts that can be used for updates. Run dar cpu.bat, the file to run. Use this when there is no dedicated graphics card. Do not close it after execution, as it will automatically open a browser and users will be able to see the UI interface. Run.doc NVIDIA GPU.bat. Run this file when there is an NVIDIA graphics card. README. Very important, .txt. This file is very important. It tells how to use it and how to solve common problems. The above is the content we need to know in the third step. Next, run the test bosses. According to your actual situation, double-click one of the 2 bat scripts we mentioned earlier. The initial startup time is longer, so you need to wait a bit, and then you can see the operation interface in the automatically open browser. When the .bat file is running and when we are operating in the browser, please do not close the black and white window. Once this window is closed, the software will stop running, and we will not be able to use it. That's all for the deployment. Let me review it for you, bosses. The deployment of ComfyUI is divided into 4 steps in total. Step 1, go to the corresponding link to get the software package. Step 2, extract the obtained software package. Step 3, check what files are included in the software package and their functions. Step 4, run the software package to see if it is normal. I hope this video can help you, bosses, to master the deployment of ComfyUI. Today is another day of progress for you, bosses. Goodbye.